Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa, a girl mom, and today I'm doing a haul and lots of DIY projects for my daughter's first birthday. My budget is to spend under $300 on her party. Crazy, I know, but I'm gonna try my best. Make sure if you haven't already, you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. I have lots more motherhood, lifestyle, organization, and vlogging coming up on my channel, and I would love to have you along with me. Hey guys, birthday party prep is underway for Emmeline's first birthday, so I'm going to take you guys along with me to get all the supplies and make the decorations. I'm doing most of it myself, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, you want to say hi? Hi! So our birthday party theme is Wild One. Excuse is Wild One. So we're doing all the like teepees and feathers and wild animals and dream catchers and stuff like that. What? Don't you do that. You be nice. Because she is definitely wild, that's for sure. Yeah. Okay, so we are headed out now. I'm gonna stop at Hobby Lobby, 99-cent store, dollar store, and Party City. Probably also do a Target run and possibly maybe Walmart if I'm in the mood. So on my list of things to make, I'm gonna do 2 centerpieces that are kind of like a teepee style centerpiece. I'm making, it's like a Dreamcatcher photo display for her 12 months of photos. I'm gonna do, what else? I'm gonna make the like ribbon, what would it be called? Not a banner, that goes around the high chair. I'm gonna make one of those. Also a birthday banner. Oh, and party favors and goodie bags. I haven't decided what I'm doing yet. I'm just gonna kind of see what I can find. Yeah, so it's gonna be a swim party. So I also would like to find Emmeline just like a cute little bathing suit, because she's not really gonna be in an outfit, because she'll probably be in the pool most of the time. I don't really want to do like outfit change. So I'm thinking if I just find a cute little bathing suit that kind of matches the theme, and then of course she can wear it again. Okay, so I actually found a lot of super cute stuff I'm gonna have to show you guys when we get back to the house. It was kind of hectic with the kids and the babies, so I'm going to just have to show you guys a haul at the house. But I'll tell you where everything was from, and we're headed there now. So as soon as I get a second, I will show you guys everything I found. Alright, here's my haul of stuff. Look at this adorable bathing suit. I actually got this at a like secondhand baby store for, I want to say, $6. It's perfect. The color is exactly what I was looking for. Also, these tanks for the older girls. I'm going to put a little logo for her party on them. Perfect color also. And then a tank for myself. Not really in love with it, but it'll work. And I also got one for Eddie. These I actually did find at Walmart, and they were only a few bucks, so staying right on my budget. So this is my color scheme here. I'm using corals, turquoise, lavender, and gold. The ribbon was from Hobby Lobby, and these cupcake foils also. These I found at the dollar store, just some little extra flowers. These feathers were Hobby Lobby. They're so cute. They've got the gold already on them. I was going to try to glitter some feathers, but these were already pre-done. And they're so cute. Some gold tape, duct tape. And some little mini safety pins I'm going to use to pin her pictures on the Dreamcatcher. The plates, napkins, and silverware were all actually found at the 99-cent store. You guys, I don't know what kind of luck I was having on this day, but look at these perfect dream catchers I found. They're going to be used for the party favors. Oh my gosh, just like in love with them. And these hula hoops are going to be used to make the large photo dream catcher. I'm just not sure which size. The first project I started working on was my centerpieces, which are kind of a teepee style, like floral arrangement. So me and the girls collected some thicker sticks and I cut them down to about the same size, tied the top with twine, and then we used hot glue and added the different floral pieces that I got from Hobby Lobby, feathers, and I'm so happy with how they turned out. Making the Dreamcatcher photo display, we started with the smaller hula hoop because I thought that would probably be the better size to go with, and Mila helped me. We wrapped this with the gold duct tape around the entire hula hoop. This was really quick to make, and to do the entire project, it was under $8 with ribbon, flowers, and everything. Okay, so it's obviously a few days later, but I'm working on some birthday projects right now while Emmeline naps, and I'm working on the photo Dreamcatcher, and it's turning out so cute, so I just wanted to show you guys what I have so far. So I just wrapped the gold duct tape around this hula hoop, and then I used the like twine here and hot glued it. And I'm just using the little paper here I cut out in the size of the photos I'm going to do, so I can make sure all 12 photos are going to fit. And then I took the ribbon and just tied it on. I think it's turning out so cute. I think I'm going to add some feathers and maybe some flowers to it also, but I'm really happy with how it's turning out. And I have this right now hooked to my little photo board, so I don't know if it's hard to see, but this is going to go on her high chair. So just kind of the same idea. My mom is amazing and way more crafty than I am, and she has a Cricut machine, which is similar to the Silhouette machine. So we were able to make our own designs for t-shirts for the girls, for Emmeline, and for me and Eddie, and I'm so happy with how they came out. With baby right now because she is having a rough day today. It's been fit after fit. She wants to be outside, and it's so hot outside today. It's just like miserable to be outside, but I just put her outside right now so I can show you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to show you real quick what I ended up getting from a local cake decorating store. Just like, sis, you in a better mood out here? I know you want to get down. Okay, just a minute. So I found this. I don't know if you can really see. Maybe if I put it down on here. Okay. Just a minute. These cute little feathers. Then I got them in gold also. And then these are, I don't know if you can really tell, but they're little arrows. They're little candy arrows. And just a minute, love. And then just some like sparkles to go on top. Okay, we came back inside because it's just way too hot out there, and sorry, everything's just a mess right now. But like I was saying, because I've just like, I'm running out of time, I was gonna make all the cupcakes myself, and I've just decided it's too much for me to bite off right now. I've done so many cute decorations and stuff already, and it's like, who cares if I make her cupcakes, you know? Who cares if they're homemade? Who cares if everything's like perfect? I'm such a perfectionist sometimes with, especially with stuff for my kids, and so it's hard for me to like let go of things, but I think I have everything else done. So tomorrow's just gonna be all my last minute stuff I need to do, and that's it. I'm sure I'm gonna think of way more stuff I need to get done, but hi. Hey, did you turn that on? Yeah, did you do that? Did you do that? Beautiful. So here's Emmeline's headband. And I'm finishing up the party favors, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. And I forgot to say that I did stay under budget. I got to about $280 for everything. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I think I pretty much have everything ready to go, so I'm just going to go ahead and end this here. Make sure that you are subscribed, your notification bell is turned on, because I'm going to film during Emmeline's party, show you guys all the final products of everything that I've been making and how everything turns out. So I will see you guys for that in the next video. Bye.